All right, good morning. Welcome back to pre-calculus. We are going to continue talking about partial fractions here. This is still a couple of warm-up problems that they're giving us. They haven't really asked us to do anything too hard yet, but they just want us to set up but do not solve for A, B, and C. Okay, so I probably should have done some more video, but trust myself. So here we go, thankfully back to x's. So we have 2x squared minus 8x minus 2, and on the bottom we have 4x cubed plus 4x. So what we're going to do is a plus. So we're just going to factor out an x here, so we can say this is over 4x. That's okay. And what do we have? We have x squared, right, plus 1. That's an irreducible quadratic, isn't it? You can't factor x squared plus 1. Kind of stuck with it. Okay, we don't really care what's on the top because they're not asking us to solve anything yet. The way we're going to set this up is we're going to say a over, what's our first factor is 4x plus, and now we have an irreducible quadratic. We need ax plus b on the top here. So bx plus c, and we have x squared plus 1. Okay, the next step here would be to multiply through by the denominator so we can solve for a, b, and c. Okay, so what we're going to have here is we have a over 4x and then plus bx plus c, and again this is all going to be over. Let's put the fraction button in here first. Say bx plus c, and on the bottom we're going to have our x squared. Oops, x squared plus 1. Okay, that looks like what we set up. Sure does. So we'll go through and check that. But again, they're just going us through what are the different permutations for things that could happen. Okay, so it's important to practice these. I know they seem a little bit easier. That's why we're not solving for A, B, and C just yet. They just want us to practice setting these up. Okay, so just make sure it's like, oh, okay, this is an irreducible quadratic. We have a linear term on top of this. Okay, check. Hooray, and then we'll go on with our lives. Okay, so thank you for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video. The short ones, these short ones are helping.